How does a caterpillar turn into a butterfly at a cellular level? What happens to trigger the various stages? Are there factors that would prevent it or delay it? Or is it inevitable in this species? What causes the cellular change? Is there anything remotely similar in certain human cells? We've all learned about it at school, but I don't remember any discussion about what is really happening at the cellular level. What is different about that species that allows it to live as one thing, then have cells transform into something so seemingly different? The answer: this is a really huge and very interesting topic in embryology, and it's very similar to what happens in humans and other vertebrates that turns them from a ball of undifferentiated cells into a human, or a dog, or a gorilla, or a cobra, or a frog, and so on. There's so much going on here that entire textbooks are written about it. But in a very clumsy attempt to summarize it into Reddit post length, cells start sending out different chemical messages based on external factors. An important one is spatial orientation with respect to gravity. Cells closer to the gravitational center will start producing chemical signals that are different from the cells furthest from the gravitational center. These chemicals diffuse through the developing organism, and cells start to receive different messages about how they should express their genes based on a concentration gradient. Put simply, the cells closer to the source of the signaling molecules will receive a larger dose than those further away, and the genes they express become differentiated based on this difference in concentration of dose. Once this initial differentiation is achieved, increasingly complex signals are sent to neighboring cells based on prior differentiation. It's very complicated, but you could read up on something called the French flag model in embryology to get a beginner's grasp of what is going on. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains. And if you have any questions I should answer, just write them down in the comments.